Guess what day it is? It's Friday. Finish it. Hello everyone, welcome to a dietitian's weekend off. I'm gonna take you along everything I do this weekend. I'm so excited. We have a lot in store and it's gonna be great. Enjoy. So the first thing I always do when I get off of work is I change into comfy clothes, so let's go do that. This is one of the first weekends that I don't have any like big social plans that I'm really excited for. So we're gonna be doing a lot of like kind of productivity. Well, we're gonna be doing a lot of exploration, but also being quite productive this weekend. I'm kind of experiencing the panic of like, oh my gosh, it's August, summer is almost over. Have I done all the summer things I wanted to do and gotten the most out of summertime shy? So that's kind of kicking in. Also, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's almost winter time, which is, I know, like completely naturally fall. It hasn't even been fall yet. We haven't been able to experience pumpkin season yet. I don't know, the panic of like, oh my gosh, it's gonna be cold and gloomy and depressing soon is getting in. So now I'm like, I have to go outside as much as I can with the weather. Well, with what weather we have remaining. Something I do have to do today, I need to run one errand. I have to return a book I didn't like. I really don't want to go back outside. I made the mistake of sitting on this couch and now here we are. So I'll catch you guys when I decide to get up. Outside today. I wanted to come in on the patio a little bit. I'll make sure I talk loud so you guys can hear me. It's somehow always very loud here. The rest of the night's not looking super exciting. I'm going to do some administrative work. I need to record a voiceover for a video. And then, it's actually fun. I need to download all the apps. Like basically sign up for everything I need for all the birthday freebies I can get. Stay tuned. I'm definitely going to do a video on it a little bit. On all the birthday freebies you can get and how to get them. I will know I'm probably going to stick to ones that you don't have to buy anything because I am that cheap. So yeah, be a pretty chill night. We're going to hang out. Hello everyone, happy Saturday. I had a lot of plans this weekend to be productive, and when I woke up at 6 a.m. I did not want to get out of bed because I know I'll be waking up at 3:45 tomorrow to watch the US national soccer team play against Sweden in the World Cup. Kind of wanted to sleep in, so to be perfectly honest, my big plans to run and go to a coffee shop and work did not turn out to go as planned, and I slept till 10:30. I've not slept that much in months, but sometimes, you know, you just need that rest. And then I proceeded to eat a like small little breakfast lunch because we don't have that much food in the apartment. And then I proceeded to watch many videos of Taylor Swift giving Bianca Bryant her like 22 hat during her Eras tour in LA and cried. And then I proceeded to watch many videos and experience a lot of FOMO of Billie Eilish singing What Was I Made For at Lollapalooza in Chicago, which is happening this weekend. So it's been a little bit of a rough Saturday. It doesn't help that it's apparently raining. Chicago summer chai has not gotten a break between the weather and the air quality. It's not giving Chicago summertime shy. Summertime shy. It's not giving summertime shy. Typically when it rains, I don't want to go outside, so we have not been as productive as I wanted to be today. I showered trying to get myself motivated to do stuff, so we'll see what we get done. But sometimes you need a rest day, nice day of R&R, rot and relaxation, you know? Quickly checking in, full transparency, I did not get much else done today. Mental health has not been great, but that's okay. A little bit stressed because I'm looking at my list. The two things that keep my life together are my Google Calendar and this planner. And we did not get anything done today, and that's okay. So I'm gonna just try to complete one of the things to try to feel some accomplishment, and then we'll try again tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It is currently 4 a.m. and I am awake for this USWNT soccer game. We'll see if I stay awake for it. So to distract myself from that US loss, we were productive this morning, and now I'm gonna go walk with my cousin. So let's go get ready for that. Hopefully it doesn't rain on us. Just had a successful trip with the cousin. Woo! Yay. So apparently I just forget to record outros. That's on me. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my kind of little weekend in Chicago, what I do with my time off. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I'm always down to explore more of Chicago, and especially now that it's fall. I'm recording this outro mid-September when this video was recorded. Early August, so a little late to get out there. Very much down to explore more things and share them with you guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you next time.